संस्कृति और भाषा विभाग के माननीय मंत्री सुश्री आतिशी जी से कि वे अपने संबोधन के लिए पधारें। प्लीज।
Dignitaries on the dais, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Justice Hema Kohli, Honorable Justice Manmohan, Honorable Justice Shakhtar, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Shri V.K. Saxena, and the entire august gathering. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be part of the laying of the foundation stone for 3 district court complexes of Delhi: Karkarduma, Shastri Park, and Rohini Sector 26. As we lay the foundation stone here for 3 court complexes, I recall the words of the preamble to the Indian Constitution. They say, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." The first promise that the Constitution of India makes to the people of the country is the promise of justice. So as we lay the foundation stones today, it is not just the foundation for 200 courtrooms. It is a step in fulfilling the promise of justice, the promise made by the founding fathers of our country as they wrote the Indian Constitution. As a representative of the legislature and executive present here today, I would like to say that we have been given many responsibilities in fulfilling the vision of the Indian Constitution. And to this end, we build schools. We work towards giving our children world-class education. We build hospitals. We take primary healthcare infrastructure near the homes of people. We work towards transforming young people into thriving entrepreneurs. We help women access economic opportunities. We work towards ensuring basic infrastructure like water, electricity, roads, so that even the poorest sections of society have a dignified existence. Yet, there is a long way to go. Even after 75 years of Indian independence, we remain a deeply unequal society. We are a country with deep inequalities of caste, of gender, of wealth, of education, of power. But in the last resort, as we strive to reduce these inequalities, there is one place where we are all equal. We are all equal before the Constitution, and we are all equal in the eyes of the law. And this is why it is an honor to be a part of this foundation stone laying ceremony for these 3 court complexes, because this is where the dream of the Constitution will be fulfilled, where the promise of equality will be protected. In the next few months, we will, where we are sitting today, begin to see walls, windows, rooms come up. But for a citizen of this city, for a citizen of this country, these will not just be walls. These buildings will represent hope and trust. Trust in the Indian Constitution and the hope for justice. Every citizen of Delhi, every citizen of India who will enter these hallowed grounds will come with the trust that I may not be wealthy and I may not be powerful, but this is where I'm equal. This is where I will get justice. On behalf of the government of NCT of Delhi, I would like to say that under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, we are committed to fulfilling the promise of justice and providing whatever support is necessary to the 3rd pillar of the government, the judiciary. In fact, during our government's tenure, we have steadily increased the resources allocated to the Delhi High Court and the Delhi District Courts. Before we came to power, in the year 2014-15, the total budgetary allocation to the courts was rupees 760 crores. This allocation has been steadily increased in the last few years, and by 2024-25, this year, it has increased 4 times and now stands at more than 3,000 crore rupees as our budgetary allocation. Judicial infrastructure has been expanded since 2015. A 60 courtroom complex, the Rouse Avenue Court, was inaugurated in 2019. 144 courtrooms have been added to Saket, Tees Hazari and Karkarduma courts. The S block of the Delhi High Court has been constructed and redeveloped. And now, Delhi is on its way to become the first state where all district courts will soon operate in a hybrid mode. So today is a proud moment for all of us as we begin work on this 1100 crore rupee project of 3 court complexes, Karkarduma, Shastri Park and Rohini Sector 26. It is a proud moment as we are taking a step in fulfilling the promise of justice, the promise of the Indian Constitution. Thank you.